gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to stream on Mixer using your Xbox One 2020. Very straightforward tutorial, pretty easy to follow and stuff like that. So let me just show you the Mixer app before I actually show you how to live stream on it. So the Mixer app is actually pretty cool. As you know, Microsoft owns Mixer. This is their own created platform where users on Xbox can live stream. It's kind of like a priority for Xbox users to use. PlayStation users, I don't believe, are allowed to use this. But as you can see here, this is where you go, where you can watch all your live streams. As you can see here, very similar to Twitch in many ways. Shows you all the popular games. Ooh, Mental Health Awareness Month, all this stuff where you can just watch people live stream. Very similar to Twitch. If you use Twitch, you'll be very familiar with how this works. As you know, Ninja moved over to Mixer. You can look top streams, who you're following, go to a channel, or go to the mobile app. So this is really cool. But if you actually want to get started live streaming, and it's 100% free, you don't have to pay anything. Similar to Twitch, everything's free. You just have to put in the time and effort to actually build up a following. That's the difficult part in actually becoming a live streamer, is starting a consistent schedule where you're consistently live streaming. I would recommend every day, every other day, an hour or two here or there, just to get your following going. But you're going to make your way over to this tab under Capture and Share, and then you're going to want to click Start Broadcasting. You click on that. It's going to say Preparing Your Broadcast. Just let this load up. Okay, so as you can see here, it says Life Made Easy, level 33. This is just, it gives you like a ranking for how long you've been doing this. How many, I don't know what those lightning points are or whatever. I don't think it really matters, but then it shows you how many views you have. It keeps labeling mine as 18 plus stream when I'm not an 18 plus streamer. I don't know why it keeps doing that. You can adjust the stream title, and then it'll show you your link right here. And so you can also do, well, obviously microphone is going to be on. I don't think it lets you toggle that. I don't know why it's not letting me toggle that, but camera options. This is if you have like a camera plugged into your Xbox. I still need to do a tutorial on that. You guys remind me to do that in the comment section down below. Hooking up a camera to your Xbox. I've actually never done it, but I'm actually interested in seeing how that plays out. You can share your controller, but apparently it's blocking that option out for me. Play with one of your viewers. More options. Okay, so this is where you change your stream title to whatever you want. I don't know, just call it like test, whatever. Party audio, you can turn that on or off depending on if you want people to hear the people in your party. I recommend it if you're playing with friends. It's always good to hear everyone in the party. Chat on. So that's just like the chat overlay and stuff like that. And then move broadcast overlay. This is where you can actually adjust where the overlay is, as you can see here. So Mixer's nice because I don't think Twitch does this built there in the Twitch integrated app, but Mixer allows you to basically adjust where you put this overlay, and the overlay is really actually helpful. It shows your microphone status, shows how many people are watching you, how long you've been recording, shows all the chat, if you have a camera plugged in, and you can adjust where you want to put it. It's completely up to you guys. Obviously, they don't let you put it in the dead center because that's really that's a big hindrance. So yeah, put it wherever you want. Doesn't really matter. And then just click done. And so that's basically it, guys. From there, you click Start Broadcast. You can go to Mixer / and then your link, and that's how you can actually view your broadcast. Share it on social media and stuff like that. Share it to your friends, family. Try to get the word out there and try to grow. It's very easy to do. Xbox makes this really easy. Go and load up any game. Just go to where I am right here and start streaming. Quality's really good. Another downside of this is you don't get to select, at least for me, it's not showing what bitrate I want to stream at. I'm guessing that's like a predetermined setting. And it's also not letting me adjust the what's called resolution. I don't know if you have to dive deeper into settings and to do that, but it's kind of annoying. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below any future tutorials you want me to make. I'm happy to do anything you guys want. These are awesome. Hope getting some value out of it. So I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy.